In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change margins in LibreOffice Writer. Margins control the empty space around your page content, and adjusting them can make your document look more professional, fit more text on a page, or meet specific submission requirements. Let's walk through the standard method first, and then a quick alternative if you prefer presets. Start by launching LibreOffice Writer and opening your document. At the top, go to the Format menu and choose Page Style. This opens a dialog where you manage how pages look. In that dialog, click the Page tab. This is where most layout settings live, including paper size, orientation, and, most importantly for us, margins. Look toward the bottom left area for the Margins section. You'll see fields for left, right, top, and bottom. Type in the exact values you want, or use the up and down arrows to nudge them. The units follow your system or LibreOffice settings, so they might be in inches, centimeters, or millimeters. As you adjust, keep in mind that smaller margins fit more text per page, while larger margins improve readability and accommodate binding or notes. Many documents use around 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters, but your needs may vary. When you're happy with the numbers, click OK. Your changes apply to the entire document if it's using a single page style, or to the current page style if you're working with multiple styles. Page styles are like templates for sections of your document, so edits affect every page that uses that style. If you notice only some pages changed, those pages likely use a different style. If you prefer a faster approach, there's an alternate method using the sidebar. Open the sidebar by clicking the page icon on the right edge of the window or press Ctrl plus F5. In the sidebar, look for the Format section and find the Margins drop-down. From there, choose a preset such as Narrow, Moderate, Normal, or Wide. Presets are great for quick, consistent changes without typing numbers. After selecting a preset, you can always fine-tune exact values later through the Page Style dialog if you need something more precise. Once your margins are set, scan through your document to see how the text reflows. Check headings, page breaks, and any images or tables to ensure everything still looks balanced. If you plan to reuse the same margins often, consider keeping these settings in mind for future documents so you can stay consistent. That's it. Clean, controlled margins with either precise values or quick presets, all inside LibreOffice Writer.